sa mga selebrasyon natin. At this time, masaya pa rin yung mag-reunion, pero pag nasa later stage na sila ng dementia, hindi ko naman sinasabing mag-reunion. Hindi na nila kailangan ng buong reunion. Mas mahalaga ang familiar na mukha, tapos yung isang tahimik na kwarto, o isang mahinang music. Quality over quantity. Ngayon, kung talagang hindi niya kaya, you just have to let her sleep. You have to let her stay in the room. I'm not saying na wag mag-reunion or what, but kung merong matanda talaga, try to put her in a safer place and explain to everybody who's going to go there at kung pwede, kung magpa-party kayo, huwag niyo nang dalhin para may strobe lights pa. That is scary for them. Lalo na kung merong macular degeneration, parang feeling niya binubomba yung mata niya ng mga ilaw. Lalo na kung malabo ng mata o kaya medyo meron ng problema sa pandinig, yung sa puso, yung vibrations, hindi nila kaya.